All right, guys, we're going to announce the winner of this Woodings Verona house axe from this last month's giveaway, the Vintage Tool Relocation Program giveaway. So first off, I want to say that I got some really good feedback. We got a good amount of people in the comment section wanting to partake in this, so that was a lot of fun and just really good feedback. So we're doing it again. So we'll give you a sneak preview of what's coming next, which I'm excited about. So if you guys want to see more stuff like this, if you want this to keep going, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. It helps the channel out a ton. So without further ado, Carpentry First. Carpentry First. Username Carpentry First. Won this Woodings and Verona house axe. Great little user. All right. So next up is this fantastic condition True Temper Flint Edge Kelly Works double bit. So this thing's just in great shape. Eye's in great shape. The bits are in great shape. I'm excited. I picked this thing up for $1 at a yard sale, I think in September, October. So I'm excited about this. This is going on this. Seems a little short, huh? That's because it is. So this is a 20-inch double bit handle from Whiskey River. And I gotta say that, let's look at the grain orientation. Can you see that? Yeah, there you go. Perfect grain orientation. Just everything about this, the kerf is cut just wonderful. It's got a little bit of sapwood in it, which I prefer. I like that contrast. So this is going to be a really fun little project to put together. No work for me to do on this. This is, I mean, I might sand it down a little bit, but this is done. Put some oil on it. That's just beautiful right there. Excited about that. So yeah, the double bit on the 20-incher, that's exciting. So like I said, guys, if you want to see more like this, like, subscribe, comment. It's going to help the channel. It's going to keep this going. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.